How to keep widgets on the home screen. A new feature in iPadOS 13 is the ability to keep your widgets accessible from the home screen. Getting this set up is easy. 1. Or you're on the first page of your iPad home screen. 2. Swipe right to bring up your widgets view. 3. Scroll down to the bottom of your widget list until you see the Edit button. 4. Tap the Edit button. 5. In Keep on Home Screen, tap the toggle to turn it green, on. 6. Tap Done. Now your Today view will always be displayed on the first page of your home screen. How to pin favorite widgets on the home screen. In addition to having your widgets always available on the home screen, you can pin your favorites so that they're always on the home. 1. Make sure you're on the first page of your iPad home screen. 2. Swipe right to bring up the widgets view. 3. Scroll down until you see the Edit button. 4. Tap the Edit button. 5. Touch and drag the handle on the widget that you pin into the Pin Favorites section. 6. Tap Done. Your pinned widgets will now always be available on the home screen if Keep on Home Screen is enabled. It seems that you can only have 2 pinned favorites active. To view your other favorite widgets, swipe up in the widget view.